my dear friends. So today what we are doing is completely we are renovating our home. So this is our own home, and you can just watch out all our dear painters. They have started their working. So especially I was very much interested to paste this Buddha's what we call this sticker. So it was really wonderful at that time, because at that particular time, that first time I had started reading about the Gautama Buddha. So yeah, it was very nice, and I don't want to lose it. But yes, because of this painting, they are doing this, and we have to accept that, not a problem. And now that what I had thought was to completely renovate this home and to make this but this is my particular room where I'm standing right now. So here I wanted to do it as a meditation room, first thing. Second thing, a reading room. And the third thing, that I have to make it a video shooting room also. So all my dreams are coming true, each and every one, that whatever the things that I have dreamt previously, all those dreams are coming true right now. And I will just go on showing you all the home here. Just watch out here that I'm going to completely renovate this full room. Not only a full room, I will just go and show my home also. So now they are removing this Buddha poster. So friends, this is what my Buddha sticker. So below that I had written that Shila, Samadhi and Panya, the three main important things that taught by Gautama Buddha. So let's see how it happens in the future. If I paint the green wall here, so for the video shooting, so if I paint completely a green wall here, then I'm going to make it a small Gautama Buddha's photo if possible. Otherwise, let me check it out how it will happen, and I will show you the next view also. So yes friends, as I told you that today we are painting and renovating our home. So you can see our painters, Mehboob sir, Ismail sir and Arwaz sir, they are helping us for this painting. And here we are doing the, first of all we are applying the lambi here, so wall care. So after applying the wall care for all the walls, then we are going to apply the paint, so that what happens, the paint will be, the paint's duration of its life, it will be more. So this is what I got the information from the elder painter, Sri Ismail sir. So because of that reason we are doing this. So thank you. This is our own home. Okay, I will just show you how we people are going to renovate this. This is just now before the painting that I am showing, and now I am going downwards also. You can just watch out here all the previous painting that has been that they have started removing those things, and now you can just look at my face also. I have also become like a painter itself. So, and this is our home, and I will just show you out. You can just watch out here. So here all these room that we are going to renovate completely. Okay, and also we are trying to improvise the paint color also. I have thought of painting the whole room and all my complete home with Royal Asian paints. So it's really a wonderful thing. And here now I am at the outstairs, not outstairs I should say. This is outside view of the home, and the outside painting will also take place. And this is just I'm recording the video because to remember that this was my home previously, and after painting how it will be, I would like to show you all. So, and this is the gate. Yeah, this is what the previous thing that I'm showing you all. And now you are going to see a new home. Magic. Hello dear friends. So today we are on the second day of our painting process. So now I'm going to show you the upstairs room, so how it has been painted. And dun, 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 you can just watch out here. So completely they have painted this home. I should not say this is a paint, this is what we call, that is a wall care, which will come now. So that wall care they have used, as because there was much dirt on the walls. So directly I thought of painting the royal paint directly on the walls, but it was not suitable for this area. So because of that reason, the painter, he has a great experience of 35 years. So he told me that before repainting the royal paint, as it is a costly paint also, so he told me to use this type of white color wall care first to apply completely on all the walls, and after that if we paint the royal painting on this on this walls, so it will be very nice, and you will also get a look for your home, what he told. So because of that reason I paid extra amount for this. So at the end I will tell you all the budget, that what I had kept and how much budget I got incurred for this painting and all. So now only has painted with the white painting. So today he will paint some sort of colors that I have selected. I will tell about that also. Here some gold paint are there, and gold paint is there, royal paint, gold neo, and I will tell you the paintings also, all the information about the painting. And here this is my personal room, which I told you that I am going to make it as a completely meditation room, meditation hall. So this you can just watch out here. So it is completely in my room. When we enter exactly in my room, you can just watch out, it is completely clean here. So it has been painted with this type of color, so which will help for me to meditate here. So in middle all my racks and bureau are kept in the middle. So because of that reason it would not be very much easy for you to show me right now. And here on this wall the green paint will come, so which will be used for me for video shooting process. So this is what the second day beginning I'm showing you all. So, and this is what the door. So I have to repair the door also because doors are now a little bit what we call it has become little bit old. So because of that reason I have to renovate all the doors also and door colors also. And you can just watch out, my dear friends, how much white it is there, right? White color, literally it's a peace color, so we can use this white color. And tube light will also be a very brightful in this white color, but we can't stay in white itself, because if any small dirt will also fall on the wall, no, it will be visible. So because of that reason I'm thinking of completely changing the colors. And here this is the staircase, and this is the big window from where I will get the brightness inside. So here I'm painting some sort of different color. So I will just show you that how all this painting process will happen. So step by step, and also I will tell you all the things things related to the paints, that which color that I have selected, how much cost that I incurred for per liter, and bit costly it is. Royal, it is a high quality paint, so that only I have selected. So because of that reason it incurred a very very much costly for me. But anyway, one time if we are doing this in 4 or 5 years, we have to take this much of risk, what I say. And you can just check out here all the paintings. The white paint, it has come up to here, and on the floor you can just watch out, my dear friends, how much the dirt has been fallen because of the old paint. They have taken the emery paper and they have washed it, they have scratched it. So because of that reason you can just watch out. And still the process is going on, and stay tuned, I will show you the next complete process also. Thank you. Hello my dear friends. So the work is on progress, and you can just watch out, all our dear painters, they are helping us to paint the whole home. And now here we are at the exterior part of my home. This is the terrace. So all the items that we have kept outside, and still the work is on progress. You can just watch out here. So I would like to say, my dear friends, this whole view of this home I will show you once after completing all the paintings, because inside I have taken this time privilege, I should say privilege, it's a privilege for me, so to paint the inside interior walls with royal painting. So once after completing this whole painting of the whole home, then I will show you what all the paintings, what all the colors that I have applied on the walls, and how I have prepared my meditation hall, reading hall, and also video shooting room and everything. I will just show you once after completing the whole work, my dear friends. Thank you. And friends, you can just watch out. This is the back side of my home. So we are at the back space, and we are painting this, and we have to also apply the lambi and also that glass also there. Yeah, they are struggling hard for this, and wonderful. Yes, dear friends, here our painter Arbaz, he is shifting from one bucket to another bucket. This is known as Asian Paints damp proof. So by using this, there will be, there are processes. First they have washed the terrace correctly, and after that now they are filling the cracks wherever the cracks are found. So there they are filling with the crack seal, and after that they are going to apply this damp proof. Okay, so by this all this process, what happens, this is in white color, and as you know that scientifically it is also proven that when we apply the white color paints, so it reflects the sun rays also, and it will not absorb any sort of sun rays there. I hope you people know about this. So because of that reason, we have selected white color itself to paint on the floors or a slab. So yeah, when they will be painting, I will shoot one more video and I will show you how it will be. Thank you. So now, dear friends, you can just watch out. I am completely on the top roof of my home. So you can just see the viewpoint from here. Yeah. So it's very hot here, as this is summer also, and here now we are on the top roof because we are filling all the cracks wherever it is found here. So that is the work it is going on here, and I will show you how my roof is there at present. You can just watch out here. So it's all in black in color because so many years I think we would have planned this, but I was not able to plan for this roof. Only painting we have did in the previous days. So now here you can watch out, my dear friends. This is the tank. So we have to clean this tank also, but it is a bit clean only because of rainy season. Every day the rain water given from the God. And now I would like to show you a very important thing, my dear friends. Here you can just watch out. I hope you will be able to see, because as the sun rays is completely hitting my eyes, so I'm not able to see my camera by myself. So I hope you are able to watch this. So here just watch out, my dear friends, how the big cracks are available here. And wherever the cracks are present, here a small sort of plants has been grown already. So because of that reason itself, when the rain comes, these plants will hold the water. As we know that plants will hold the water in its roots, so it will hold the water. Because of that reason, because of these plants holding the water, that water will be coming inside. So because of that reason, from many days I was facing this problem. Even after painting also, so much of water was coming inside. So hence I showed you also that we also did the wall care first, and after that now we are at the outside part. So you can just watch out here. Now I am filling all these cracks with crack seal, and after that we are going with the damp proof. Yes, I will show you the next process also. So look at it, my dear friends. This is the process that they are filling with this crack seal. So crack seal, that is purchased from the paint shop. It is by Asian Paints itself. You can just watch out here how they are applying. we fill the cracks like this, no, after that when we do the damp proof, then the water will not come inside. This is what the suggestion given by our painter. मतलब इसको मारने के बाद नहीं आएगा ना, पानी अंदर नहीं आएगा, कंप्लीटली बंद हो जाएगा. How my dear friends, they are filling the cracks. So this is what my dear friends, this is Smart Care Advanced Crack Seal Asian Paints. So this is what we are applying right now. So yes friends, so this is where I am standing completely on the roof, and you can just watch out here. Our painter Arvaz bhai and Ismail sir, they both are helping me to completely paint this with a damp proof. So which will help me. It is like a weather coat. So in the rainy season it will not hold the water, and as this is because of the white color, it will also not hold the sun rays also. It will reflect the sun rays, so it will not be hot also. So because of these two reasons, so in summer season I will feel cold inside, a bit cool inside, and in rainy season also it will not hold the water, and the water will not pour inside. So this is what the benefit of this damp roof. So I'm completely on the top roof of the my home. So you can just watch out here how these people are painting here with a completely white color. Just I'm showing you the view here. So friends, I hope you people are able to see now here. So this is our roof. So it is completely painted with white color. So you can just watch out. This is damp proof from Asian Paints. So now we are going to terrace. So I'll just show you how we are going to decorate that also.